Hey guys, little pocket dump or EDC for today, out and about with the doggies at the van. LoomTech automatic watch, GMT. Carry wise, keys, Glock 43 in a Kydex holster with an ulti clip hooked to my sweats. Another ulti clip holding in my knife, my fixed blade. Columbia River Knife and Tool Company. Showed you guys this the other day. And then put that aside. And then a spare mag for the Glock. And then my pocket here in the sweats. Warrior Mini 2 by Olight is my flashlight. And then all the rest of my stuff's in the van. All the rest of my gear. So that's a quick pocket dump. Let you guys know. All right, take care. Anthony signing off.